Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take 11th aspect. Arabic is compact in writing. Because, as we have seen, Arabic uses short forms of letters instead of full forms, in many cases except for the first letter. And many letters of Arabic are very thin and small. And because Arabic has vowel signs instead of letters, and these vowel signs are placed above and below as we have seen before, and because it has built-in short forms for commonly occurring words like wa, la, ka, and there is no space that is required between such words, and because Arabic letters use more vertical space, more of them go up and down, it is compact in writing. So if you take one page of the Quran, which has 11 lines, for example, the translation is in 22.5 lines. That is almost double. One line of Arabic versus 2 lines of English. You have to move your head twice in English for the same message and just once in Arabic. So you need less eye movements in Arabic and therefore less time too. Our zone of vision is circular and not rectangular. So here is an Arabic word. You can catch it easily with a circular vision, whereas in English you have a strip. To explain it with an example, here is an Arabic verse and the translation. In Arabic verse, you can have, easy spots for reading a word, whereas in English, you have to, even if you read 2 or 3 words in one go, you have to, stop more times. As far as eye movement is concerned, from one word to another can be from 20 milliseconds to 200 milliseconds. And on one word, the eye may be fixed for around 1/4 of a second. So you can decrease eye movement if your words are more rounded than if they are flat. That's it. You want to know more? Subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/user/understandquran. Wassalamu alaikum.